I would really appreciate for everyone to see the film. When I made the film, I never had the idea that I'm writing it for only a certain set of an audience. I really imagined that there's definitely a huge audience out there who, like me and my friends, have for a very long time been wanting to see cinema of a certain relevance, of a certain meaning, thinking that that's my audience.
This film was just an instinctive choice. I wanted to be involved in it in some way, and I offered to help. And Anand said, "Why don't you present it?" And I thought, if there's any goodwill that I can bring to the film, any way in which I can support it and get it a distribution and a release, a theatrical release in India, I'd be happy to do it. So that's how I got involved with Ship of Theseus.
The title alludes to a thought experiment. Plutarch, the Greek philosopher, gave out this thought experiment in a book that he wrote called The Life of Theseus. In that, he mentions that Theseus had built this ship that was reconstructed plank by plank, part by part. As the planks had started deteriorating, they started replacing each and every part of the ship. The ambition behind the ship was to transport Theseus and his army to the other shore. So while the ship was afloat, every single part of the ship had been replaced over a period of a century, because it was only a century later that the ship reached the other shore in the myth. And the question arises, hence, that is it still the same ship that left the initial shore? That as a great allegory for life, for human body. Over a period of 7 years, every single cell of our body is replaced. Not a single cell in your body remains the same over a period of 7 years. We go through so many shifts. We go through paradigm shifts. We change the way we look at things. We change our worldviews. We change our environments. We go through so many changes in over a period of 7, 8, 9 years or 10, 15 years. Can we convincingly say that we are the same person that we were when we started off? What happens, using that as an allegory to look at organ transplants? What happens when are you still the same person when something changes in you, when a part of your body is replaced? Are you so there's a very physical, superficial metaphor to it, a very material metaphor to it, of just the transplants of objects, of the material objects, and then there is an essential metaphor to it of what's going on. What is the essence being touched? Is the essence changing? And is there anything such as an essence, or essence is just a cumulative of all the parts?
आमिर ने जब फिल्म देखी, उनको बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. We did take his advice from time to time. By and large, he's just an outside supporter. He loves the film himself. कहा है कि you take care of this one because this one's very special.